How to get success in online stock market intraday trading. The biggest known financial market is how to excel in online share market intraday trading. It doesn't really matter day or night, traffic persists even as half of the world sleeps. It provides many opportunities to make income for traders. There are many day traders on the market, and why not join the day traders if you think you can do that? When you decide to start trading on a daily basis, don't expect to learn all about it in a moment. You're going to have to know for some time, and you need to put a lot of effort into it. Practice makes it perfect, and it requires a lot of forex trading. You will train by simulated trading before using real money and do a paper trade. You can use all of your trading strategies here and see if they actually work. Don't be afraid of losing a certain amount of money because a lot of it is involved in any trade. But it doesn't mean you're not able to reduce your losses. You can use stop orders. And most importantly, from your past defeats, you will know. A good trader should be disciplined on a daily basis. To make sound decisions, make consistency a practice and act in accordance with trading systems, strategies. You can do your business this way in a consistent and reliable manner. An individual to make decisions based on their preset criteria and parameters. You should make it a point to execute your trading system plan habitually. This way you can analyze your plan's performance effectively. If your expectations are not met, it may be time for you to make some changes and fine-tuning, so that your strategy can continue to be useful in the future. Don't let your emotions rule over you, particularly when trading decisions are made. A day trader should always be cautious and leave the market first once you reach your goal. Individuals often go deeper because they are motivated by greed and fear. Day traders are also quite unwilling to lose money. For example, your stock goes down, and you still hope it will rise again after a while. And the share price goes straight down to your shock. If only you weren't afraid to lose money. You might have been able to sell it the first time its price fell and stop more damage. For fear and greed to take over, a day trader can leave no room. Otherwise, this will be the key to your losses. If you're serious about trading your day, you can do it at home as well. To set up an appropriate platform at home for online trading, you would need hardware and software requirements. You'd need a computer with a Windows XP operating system or the like for your hardware requirement. No less than 19 inches should be the display. You need to have a fast internet connection because day traders need to make the trade quickly executed and verified. We also need quotations, news and other relevant market data to be collected and distributed. A quick connection to the internet allows you to trade your day in a timely manner. Specially designed software platforms for day traders are often used by the more serious ones, as real-time data is typically given, such as stock tickers and quotes, market indices and averages, charting, market reports, and price alerts. It's quick to become a day trader, but only if you're serious about such efforts. It requires dedication, time and effort, like any kind of trade. If you can put all these stuff together, you're going to make money you've never dreamed. Best place to learn about stock market training. Technical analysis training. Price action trade. Fundamental analysis training. Options trading training. Forex trading training. Commodities trading training at NCFM Academy Hyderabad.in. Visit NCFM Academy Hyderabad number 406 Annapurna Block, Aditya Enclave, near Maitravanam, Amirpet, Hyderabad, India. Call +91 7702 486328 landline +9140 48560292.